In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up hotkeys in NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll have your keyboard shortcuts assigned, order entry hotkeys enabled for trading, and your settings saved so you can work faster with confidence. First, open the Hotkey Manager. From the Control Center, go to the Tools menu, then click Hotkeys. The Hotkeys window opens with categories on the left and commands on the right. You'll use this window to assign or change the keys. If you're following along on a screen recording, you should see the list populate as soon as you select a category. Next, assign your shortcuts. On the left, select a category. On the right, find the specific command you want to control with the keyboard. Click directly in the key field next to that command. Now press your preferred key combination on your keyboard. You can use single keys or combine them with Control, Alt, or Shift if you want something more precise. As soon as you press the keys, the new combination appears in the key field. Repeat this click and press action for every command you want to set up. Take a moment to read each command name carefully before assigning, so you map the exact action you intend. If you make a typo or change your mind, just click the same key field again and press the new keys you want to use. This keeps everything consistent and easy to remember. Now, enable order entry keys so you can use the keyboard for trading. From the Control Center, go to Tools, choose Options, then open the Trading section. Check the box labeled Use Order Entry Hotkeys. This specifically allows your trading actions, such as placing or modifying orders, to respond to the hotkeys you assign. Enabling this is important if you plan to use the keyboard during live trading or in a simulation. If you do not check this option, your trading hotkeys will not execute order-related commands. Take a second to confirm the checkbox is on before you continue. From here, save and manage your setup. Review your assignments in the Hotkeys window to make sure each command shows the keys you intended. Once that's done, click OK. This saves the changes and applies them to NinjaTrader 8. Keep in mind, hotkeys do not function if a modal window, like a property dialog, is active. If a pop-up or settings dialog is open on top of your workspace, the keyboard shortcuts won't trigger until you close that window. If a hotkey does not seem to work, quickly check that no modal window is blocking input, then try again. At this point, your hotkeys in NinjaTrader 8 are fully configured. You opened the Hotkey Manager, assigned the shortcuts you need, enabled order entry hotkeys for trading, and saved your changes. Everything is now set up and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.